If you're very sure about the models, then the mean variance and the Kelly are good candidates. So here you are trying to make a balance between the risk and the returns. Kelly is probably, as we've seen, that is good for someone who can take a hit for the upside of long-term superiority. And mean variance is a bit more moderate. So any of this, depending on your risk appetite, can be a good choice for you. On the other hand, um, also doing this, Kelly or your mean variance optimization, if you're using CAPM, that is a certain level of modeling. So you have to model your returns as well as risk. Risk you can measure, model something that you have to model, return something that you have to model. So if you're using CAPM, as you have seen that modeling through factors probably improve your modeling. Why? Because you're even splitting, you're explaining the idiosyncratic returns. Whatever CAPM says that this is random, you're saying that no, it's not random. So you obviously your modeling accuracy goes up. So if you're using either Kelly or mean variance, the MPT, probably you want to do a factor based modeling for your expected return. But if your model is not good, then you can essentially go for risk parity. Why? Because I've seen that the risk parity is not very sensitive for the returns model. And that leaves us, as I say, that leaves us to a very robust thing. But I'm not very confident about risk parity. So nobody knows. Means, of course, means people are using it. It's been very successful, but it's not very clear that, as I said, that there's no fundamental theoretical background, and it can just be a lucky run for the risk parity guys. But yes, it is. It works, at least um, backward-lookingly. And as I said, as we've seen before, that if you don't trust anything, then we go for an equal weighted portfolio.